Hey, it's Marissa. Today we're going to be drawing a brain. The first step we're going to take is to draw little curves all the way across. Kind of will look like a cloud at first, but trust me, it will turn into a brain. So keep making this curved pattern in the shape of an oval. So I'm just going to keep bumping around. Keep going around and around and try to make them touch. There we go. Weird shape, but it will turn into a brain. The next step we're going to take is to draw the eyes if you want. I'm going to draw two eyes. Here's one. Here's another. I'm going to draw a curve in the corner. There's going to be another curve in this corner, and then color it in so it looks like there's a little shine because I left that little white part in there. Here's the other side. There we go. Now my mouth is going to go in the middle. It's going to be curved around and up like this, and then in the middle of those two lines draw a little smile. I'm going to draw a curve that goes like this, and that'll be the tongue. Now I'm going to draw these little lines kind of bumped again. One's going to go like this right in the middle because your brain has two hemispheres, which is two sides of the brain. I'm going to draw a curve and then draw these little random curves wherever you want because your brain looks like that. So here's a curve here, maybe put one over here, just wherever you want. There we go. I'm going to add some arms to my brain. Here's one. I'll make a curve and then stick another arm out. There we go. He's happy. I love my brain, so I'm going to draw a heart at the top, but it's up to you. Just do one curve and then a curve around. Let's start coloring it in. You are smart. Here's your brain. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.